Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dribbble, how to create a website for your customized printing and merchandise business on Dribbble easy and quick. So first type on the search Dribbble. Now the Dribbble website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Now create a new business and enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and now create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. Now let's go to the first section on the website, the header section. If you want to change the site name, you can edit it from here. Here, if you want to turn this on and replace a company name with the logo. Also, if you want to upload a file, if you want to add a label or change the label, you can add the link. Here, if you want to manage your social link settings, and here you can add a channel. Just select the type of the social link, and here add the link. So that's it. If you want to edit the style of the section, you can edit the positioning and the social icon and the full width and the spacing and the background. So let's save this. If you want to add a section, you can add it from here. Select any section you want from here. So let's move on to the next section. The next section is the banner section of the website. You can change the heading if you don't like it. If you want to change the subtext, just click here and it will be changed. If you want to generate this, you just turn this on and you can add a new label or add the link. If you want to turn this on, open link in new page. Here, if you want to edit the style of the section, the spacing or the horizontal alignment or the background, you can also generate another image. If you want to manage the background overlay, here you can turn this on and combine with header. So let's apply this. The next section is the gallery section of the website. So you can edit this from here. You can change this. Here, if you want to generate the image, you can upload image from browser. Just put it here and it will be uploaded. You can upload image from here. So let's pick in some image from Shutterstock, for example this. The next section is the text section of the website. You can regenerate the text, and also if you want to edit the type or the size of the writing. So if you want to edit the style of the section, the alignment or the spacing or the background, so that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the list section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can change this. If you want to manage the display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. Here, if you want to edit the list items from here, you can also add the list item. You can generate image. You can generate the title or the contents. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to edit the style of this section, the alignment, the image, the spacing, the background, so that's it. Let's save this. Next section is the testimonial section of the website. It is from here. Add testimonial. You can generate the code. You can generate by who this the code. If you want to upload a file, so let's save this. Here the location section of the website. You can change this if you want to change the business address. Also, if you want to add additional text file, you can add here the title or the content. You can also manage or edit the style of the section, the type, the theme, or the rounded corners, the marker color, the background. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. The contact form section, you can edit from here. If you want to regenerate the contact form, here if you want to edit the type or the size of the writing, you can manage files. You can custom input labels. Just turn this on, and you can custom input labels. If you want to generate form success message, you can also edit the form alignments or the spacing or the vertical alignments or the background. So that's it. Let's save this. The next section, this is the last section on the website, the footer. You can change the business name. You can turn this on and replace company name with a logo. If you want to upload a file here, if you want to add additional details, you can add your business address or any other relevant details. Here, if you want to turn this on and add a label or external link, if you want to edit your social link settings, if you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link. Here you can add the link, just for example. So let's close this. Let's save this. Now, if you want to regenerate the content of any section, just click here and select the content, and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the style, just click on it and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the entire section, you can also just select it and it will be changed. Also, if you want to duplicate the section from here, if you want to delete it, just click here and it will be removed. If you want to move it up or move it down, so that's it. Now all you have to do is save this and you can publish your website. Now wait a few seconds for publish your website. Now as you see, you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. Just click here and it will be published. So that's how to edit and design your business website, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.